Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about shadow formation. What happens when light falls on an opaque object? Opaque materials do not let any light pass through them. They block the light. A dark area is formed behind the object. This dark area is called the shadow. When you look at this picture, you can understand that the light is blocked by the hand so that a shadow will be obtained on the back side of the hat. So, always a shadow is formed when light is blocked by an opaque object. What are the things lead to the formation of a shadow? You need a light, then an opaque object and a screen to obtain the shadow. So, these are the three things which you needed to obtain a shadow. What is the color of the shadow? Well, shadows are always black in color. What is the nature of the shadow? Let us discuss about the nature of the shadow. You may have observed that some shadows are completely dark, whereas some shadows are very faint. When observed very closely, you will find that the central part of a shadow is darker than the surrounding. A shadow can therefore be divided into two regions, umbra and penumbra. Umbra is the central, darkest part of the shadow where no light reaches, where penumbra is the part of a shadow that receives some amount of light. That is why it casts a faint shadow. It lies around the umbra. When an opaque object blocks the light completely, it casts a dark and sharp shadow on the screen. In this situation, only the umbra is formed. You already know that sun provides us a light. We also know that the earth revolves around the sun while the moon revolves around the earth. Occasionally, the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. On this occasion, if the sun, moon, and earth are in a straight line, the moon very briefly blocks the light of the sun from reaching the earth. In other words, the moon casts its shadow on the earth. This is called solar eclipse. During a solar eclipse, the dark side of the moon is towards us, which happens on a new moon day. Thus, a solar eclipse always occurs on a new moon day. The region on Earth that falls in the moon's umbra will witness a total solar eclipse, that is, a total darkness. All the places falling in moon's penumbra will witness a partial solar eclipse, that is, partial darkness. Now, let us discuss about lunar eclipse. So, what is lunar eclipse? On a full moon day, the earth is in between sun and the moon. On this occasion, if they happen to align in a straight line, the earth casts its shadow on the moon. This phenomenon is known as lunar eclipse. When the entire moon is in the earth's umbra, a total lunar eclipse is observed. When a part of the moon is in earth's umbra, while the other part is in its penumbra, a partial lunar eclipse is formed. Then, how do we make shadows of different objects? So let us do an activity. You need to take a torch and opaque objects of different shapes, sizes and colors. You can collect these objects from your surroundings. Hold an object in the path of the light and see its shadow on the wall. Study the shadows carefully and record your observations. Repeat the activity with other objects so that you will get different sizes and shapes of different objects' shadow. Well, how can we make 3D glasses? For this activity, you need a material of a cardboard, a blue and red cellophane paper. How do we make the same? Mark the cardboard where each eye will be. Cut out a 3 cm by 2 cm square for each type of eye. Cover one eye hole with the blue cellophane and the other with the red. Stick the cellophane in place and then observe through it. Now your 3D glasses is ready. We can try one more experiment. Okay. So how do we make a student silhouette? You need to stand near a wall, then shine a light at the side of your face. Ask a friend to tape some paper to the wall where your shadow appears. Ask them to draw around your shadow on the paper and cut it out. Now you have a silhouette of your head. Try now. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and comment down below if you have any doubts or suggestions.